Subscribe now to Next Gen Motors for the latest updates on futuristic cars, cutting-edge automotive technology, and in-depth reviews of the most anticipated vehicles. Today, we take a closer look at the stunning new 2025 Mercedes-Maybach concept, a masterpiece of luxury and performance that redefines the future of high-end automobile. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach concept is a bold statement in automotive design, blending elegance, innovation, and powerful engineering. This concept car showcases the pinnacle of craftsmanship, embodying Maybach's signature opulence with a modern twist. The sleek exterior features a long, flowing silhouette, an iconic front grille, and futuristic lighting elements that enhance its presence on the road. The aerodynamic bodywork is designed to optimize efficiency while maintaining a commanding stance that exudes prestige and exclusivity. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach concept is expected to house an advanced electric powertrain, delivering seamless performance with instant torque and whisper-quiet operation. While official figures are yet to be confirmed, industry experts predict an all-electric setup with an impressive range and rapid charging capabilities. The drivetrain is engineered for superior handling, offering a smooth and effortless ride that aligns with Maybach's commitment to comfort and refinement. Cutting-edge suspension technology ensures a plush driving experience, while intelligent driving systems enhance safety and convenience. Step inside and you are welcomed into an interior that sets a new standard for luxury. The cabin is a blend of premium materials, including fine leather, sustainable wood, and handcrafted metal accents. Ambient lighting creates a serene atmosphere, while the seats offer unparalleled comfort with massage functions, climate control, and customizable settings. The spacious layout is designed to provide the ultimate first-class experience, catering to both drivers and passengers. A next-generation infotainment system with AI-driven personalization allows seamless connectivity, voice commands, and an intuitive interface for effortless control over various functions. Technology plays a vital role in the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach concept, integrating the latest advancements in autonomous driving and smart mobility. The vehicle is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and AI-assisted systems, enabling semi-autonomous driving capabilities that enhance safety and reduce driver fatigue. Augmented reality displays, advanced navigation, and biometric authentication further elevate the driving experience, ensuring both security and convenience. With sustainability in focus, this concept incorporates eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient solutions to align with the future of green mobility. In terms of exclusivity, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach concept is more than just a car. It is a statement of prestige and sophistication. Designed for those who demand the absolute best in automotive luxury, this model represents a seamless fusion of tradition and innovation. While it remains a concept for now, it offers a glimpse into the future of Mercedes-Maybach and what we can expect in the coming years. Stay tuned to Next Gen Motors for more in-depth reviews, expert analysis, and exclusive insights into the latest developments in the automotive world. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on groundbreaking vehicles like this. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach concept and what features excite you the most. See you in the next video.